In my last few videos, I've talked about all of the great things that Skool has. I've compared it to I've revealed how other people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per per month with Skool. But let's talk about some things that I hate. Maybe hate's maybe a kind of a strong word. 10 things that I don't like. 10 things that could be improved. Number one, first and foremost, in order to have a Skool community, after the 14-day free trial, you have to pay $99 per month. Now, $99 per month isn't bad, but it's $99 per month per community. So if you wanted to have 2 communities, which I have 3, I think, at this point, it's $99 per. And I'm going to talk about this a little bit more, but in reality, you probably need at least 2 communities in order to have a lot of success with Skool, unless you already have a decent following. But I don't like that it's $99 per month per community. And when you combine that with some of the other issues that I'll talk about during this video, you're going to be like, why is it so expensive? I mean, but you get it. It's a newer platform. What I would like for them to do is maybe offer like a discount. So if you have 5 communities or 3 communities, you bundle the price and you knock it down to, I don't know, $70 per community. It's still kind of expensive, but when you compare it to like Kajabi, for example, Kajabi, you can have like five courses and it's a little bit more. So what I would do maybe is offer some sort of discount, bundled pricing. You buy 3 communities right off the bat. We'll discount each one. That's what I kind of would prefer, but it's early on, things can change. The second thing that I really don't like, and I can kind of understand why they're not doing this, but no affiliate program for individual groups. Now, you can be an affiliate for Skool as a whole. So anytime someone starts their own Skool community, you can earn a commission, 40% reoccurring, which is really, really good. But I have a community here. One of my communities, this one right here, is $97 or $99 per month. Yep, $99 per month. What I would like to do is I would like to give the ability of the members that are inside of this group, allow them to promote this group and earn commissions. They might not have a great overall view of affiliate marketers. I can understand if that's the case, but what I would really love is the ability for people, at least within this group, to be able to promote the group. That would help the Skool platform grow even faster than what it's already doing. I think that it would help the community members because I can offer an affiliate program for my platforms on like Go High Level or ClickFunnels. I can do it that way, but I can't do it within Skool. Now, everyone keeps saying that it's coming. There is a workaround for it. For example, I can have people sign up through my Go High Level account and then offer affiliate commissions that way. But then, it kind of takes out the allure of Skool of people automatically enrolling. So that is number 2. Number 3 is I don't like the fact that everybody can post. And the thing that I don't like about it, and what I like about Facebook, is that with Facebook, you have to get your posts approved. Okay. And the reason why I think that's better, I'm in the Skool community, for example. People can just post whatever they want. Like this Skool community essentially is unmoderated and it's what everybody gets access to essentially when they join. But like if you scroll through here, people are just posting whatever they want. They're just doing whatever they want. And it's kind of annoying. I would like a little bit more control. The thing that I get a lot is people trying to spam the group, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment. They're trying to get people on their WhatsApp, which is really weird. You come to Skool to tell people to go to switch to WhatsApp. But if you look, people can just basically post whatever they want. And a lot of it oftentimes is not aligned with the community. And so that's one thing I'm not a huge fan of. And just a few seconds ago, I mentioned spammers, scammers, and bots. That's another huge problem with Skool. So what's happening and what I'm finding in my community is I'll have a person, and for whatever reason, the spammers, scammers, and bots aren't the brightest, because what I'll have one person do is I'll have a person join the community. Let's say her name is Jan. She'll join the community, right? And she'll just start spamming in the comments. Let me see if I can find one. I think we got them all deleted, but she'll just spam in every single post random stuff, like join my WhatsApp. But then once we boot her out, she'll try and join again with the exact same name, Jan, but like with a different email address. And it's happening, excuse me, it is happening all over, and it's like really annoying. One of the things they did to mitigate this is they require people now to be on level 2. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, you've got to be on level 2 in order to auto DM or to unlock chat. So what one thing that spammers, scammers, and bots are doing is once they join a group, they would just go down the members list and start reaching out to people, trying to get them on WhatsApp or whatever it is. So there seems to be more and more spammers, scammers, and bots each day because I think they realize the opportunity. The other thing that I absolutely do not like is I do not like that you can't post videos natively or go live within the community. Other places like Mighty Networks, you can do it within Kajabi, you can do it in Go High Level. In order to, let me see if we can find it. Okay, so in order to upload a video, the video has to be either a YouTube video, a Vimeo, or a Wistia. Now, if you want to hide the videos, so like maybe you're offering a class, the best way to hide your video so that it can't be accessed by anybody is by using something like Wistia or Vimeo, but that costs extra. And so it no longer is just $99 per month, it's $99 per month plus whatever the cost of Vimeo or Wistia is. And so again, that's kind of annoying. Also, if you want to go live, like I have these different coffee hours and live Q&A and stuff like that, I can't go live within Skool. I've got to use a third party like Zoom. And again, that's more expense that you've got to pay for, which is annoying. Okay, so that is number 5. No native video hosting or live. Again, that's I believe it's on the roadmap to come, but I don't know exactly when that's going to happen. Next is you still need third parties. Okay, you still need webhooks if you want to get a lot of stuff done. If I go to community, go down to settings, you still need different Zapier integrations probably, or webhooks. They do have metapixel tracking, which is cool, but you're still going to need third parties to get some stuff done. If you want people, let's say for example, you have people do your membership questions, and one of the membership questions is to enter your email. You're going to have to use a Zapier integration or webhook to connect it. And not everything is connected to Zapier. You've got to be decently smart to connect a webhook. Not really smart, just smart enough. But that's an annoyance. And again, I get it. Not everything's going to be included, and this platform is only like 2 or 3 years old at the oldest. But I would like a platform that doesn't need third parties. Kajabi doesn't need third parties. I don't think Mighty Networks really needs third parties. Next, I would like the ability to sell individual courses within my community. So maybe I have a free community like the one you see here, but then under Classroom, I'd like the ability to maybe sell this monetized Skool Lite. What if I could just sell it for $17, a one-off thing of $17? And so people inside of my free community sees that they're a 476 sees a video that or a course that they might be interested in. They can read the description and then elect to purchase it. That would be something that's pretty cool that you could do. And then maybe it would reduce the need of having 2 different communities. Now, speaking of 2 different communities, you probably need at least 2 communities, maybe 3. So the way that I have it is I have a free community, kind of like the front end of my funnel, free community. And then I will have like a low ticket community. So like $7, $9 per month. And then maybe a high ticket or, mid-tier high ticket. And the high ticket can offer one-on-one coaching. The high ticket could offer, even more in-depth courses, video training, and so on. You need at least 2 communities, maybe 3. And if you want to be successful, you probably want to have 3 communities. Now, the way that I have it set up right now, if we go back over here, this is the free community. Right now, this is my paid community, $97 per month. And then I have this one right here, profit from posts. This community is for people that have purchased a product of mine recently. And so for like customer service and help, I have this third community where they can ask questions and I can keep building that connection and that rapport. You probably want to have at least 3 of these, because if you don't have this third community here, are you going to go back to Facebook? Is that what your other alternative is? So understand you probably need 2 at least. Maybe you just have the free community and then you have the paid community when people buy stuff from you. But yeah, you probably need at least 2 communities. There may be a way to do it with one. I would love to probably do it with just one, but you probably need 2 or 3 communities. The next one is the shortness of the about page. Now, if we go over here and we look at this about page, you can have a max. Let me change this one. I think you can have a max of like 1,000 characters. So if I click in here, yeah, 1,000 characters. Now, if I'm running Facebook ads, it might be a challenge to convey to everyone exactly what's included in this membership with just 1,000 characters. You can see right here, I'm at 779, and this looks kind of thin, right? Just imagine with the paid community. If you're running Facebook ads to the paid community, can be a challenge to convey exactly everything. Now, you can create videos and images. Whoops, I didn't want to delete that. Create images like this with like testimonials and all of that stuff. But some people just really enjoy reading the sales page. But they try and keep things succinct and clean. So that is number 9. And the last one that I really don't like, and hopefully this is something that comes in the future, is there's no opportunity for upsells or order bumps. So what they could do, and again, this is more like if you're running Facebook ads. Now, what you could do is, let's say, and this could work at multiple levels. Let's say you're running a free community and you run the free community and then you enable an order bump. Hey, and then you can actually sell this order bump through an auto DM. And then you have that paid community here that's kind of like grayed out, and they can get access to it if they buy it. So what I would like to see, and this kind of puts 2 of them together, is I would like to see an order bump of some sort. Maybe the order bump is one-on-one coaching, because some people want to speak to somebody to have their questions actually answered. But what I would love to see as a way to offer an upsell. So they join the free community, give them a one-time offer to join the paid community at $45 per month instead of the regular price of $97. That would be pretty cool. But there really would be no way to do that. You could send an auto DM, but it would be for whatever the current price is. And the whole purpose of an upsell is to offer them something strategic and a steep discount to increase the average order value. So it would make it much more profitable for you to run Facebook ads to a free community instead of just trying to run Facebook ads to a paid community. So those are the 10 things that I don't like. Now, overall, overall, Skool's a great place. I like it. I love it, but it's not perfect. And if you are going to switch to Skool, make sure that you review these things before you make a decision, because it is a lot of work to try and get people into your Skool community, especially if they're in Facebook, trying to get them to cross over and join your paid community. Now, if you want to get started with Skool, I do have a 2-week free trial in the description. If you get started using my affiliate link, it is an affiliate link. If you get started using my affiliate link, I will work with you one-on-one. We can schedule a one-on-one coaching call where I answer your questions and give you some of my best advice on how to grow a Skool community. But overall, like I said, I do like the community. I like what it is right now. Hopefully, a few changes will make this thing a little bit better. But overall, I'm satisfied with it. If you got value out of this, be sure to like, comment, follow, share, subscribe. Have a great day.